Hello guys, and welcome to today's simple tutorial on how to navigate and join our Discord community for the Grid Hunters. Once you have clicked on our Linktree channel on the Grid Hunters, which can be found on Facebook, Instagram and all of our social media platforms, by simply clicking join our community, you'll be redirected to accept the invite. Since I have already joined our Discord, I can just continue to Discord, but if you haven't created an account, go ahead, create an account, verify it with your email, and you'll be redirected to the Discord channel. So once you have joined our Discord channel, you'll be redirected right here into the server rules. You have to click the emoji, the arrow down below. Once you have clicked it, all of the channels on the left side will open up for you, except the subscribers channels, which we'll talk about later, and you can navigate through here. So basically you can go ahead and start here on this channel on Discord. In this channel, everything is explained about our community, the news, the pre-sale projects, all of the channels which are in the Discord. On the roles tab, this is preferably for everyone. Read all of the emojis explained here. Choose accordingly to your knowledge. Once you have chosen your role, you can go ahead down below. You can take a look at the announcement channel, the news channels, which we post news on a daily basis from all over the world about crypto, trading and everything. We have a how-to guide, trading news, which we post analytics charts and all of that. And down below you have the general chat, which we talk basic stuff around here all day. And also you have a Balkan chat. We support like Macedonian language, Serbian, Croatian, all of the Balkan languages in the Discord channel. Down below in the subscribers list, all of the news that are posted regularly on a daily basis are translated into Macedonian and Croatian. This is a very good thing for all of our subscribers who are not good with their English. Down below you can see that we have channels like Take the Trade, pre-sale projects and all of that, but you'll be able to see them once you have subscribed to our list. So basically that's about it. If you have any more questions, you can go ahead and open a ticket in the ticket tool tab, or just send us a direct message on Instagram, Facebook, wherever, or here in the Discord.